Okay, so welcome to a new one. So it's actually been a while. I made a video because a lot of things have been happening in the background. You get what I'm saying? And this is me just being back to making videos. So anyway, this past week there were a lot of airdrops that we dropped. The most notable one was actually Stack, and it was so painful because I made a video on this channel, did a lot of transactions on Stacknet, and I actually didn't qualify for the airdrop because I didn't meet one criteria, which was leaving 0.005 Ethereum in your wallet for a period of time. So it was so hot, and seriously, I was so excited to make a video. I was like, and tell everybody, and tell you guys that I was eligible for Stacknet. But I'm sorry, unfortunately, I didn't get it. But it doesn't stop us from grinding or to keep continuing, like to push more transactions on chain and actually just live on chain, because at the end of the day, the more you keep grinding, the more you keep hustling, luck meets you on the way. So that's what I believe. So today I'm bringing you a new video on an airdrop that I feel like is underfarmed. A lot of people are not actually paying attention to this, and that's why I'm actually bringing it your way. This is Pike Finance. I don't want to make this video long, so let's dive straight into it. Okay, so if you come to Pike Finance, it's just like this. It's very easy, simple. If you've been in this space for a while, you should have heard about Aave and Compound, and probably you would have used them at some point. So this is similar to Aave and Compound. It's a lending platform, it's a lending protocol. And just like Aave, Aave, which have gone into different stages of development, has gone into Aave V1, Aave V2, Aave V3, and with each upgrade, it has actually improved itself. And currently, Aave actually sponsors a lot of networks, as you can use Aave on Scroll, Optimism, Arbitrum, and a whole lot of other networks. But with Pike just features four networks, which is Base, Ethereum, Optimism, and Arbitrum. So it's kind of similar, but it doesn't have a lot of networks. So if you get what I'm saying, and this is pretty new. And if you know what lending protocols are, they're actually here to capture value and keep people's money in the market, distributing liquidity, collecting liquidity. You get the point. So this is actually a big project to me, because right now it doesn't have a token, and I am actually farming it. The point system is not out yet, but there are some stores that have been dropping from their Twitter page, and it's been giving some hints that we'll give an airdrop, we'll give an airdrop. So we as airdrop hunters don't actually wait, we just take action. So when you come to Pike, it's a pretty much easy dashboard. As you can see, I have a net worth of $49. I actually supplied $100 and I borrowed $50. So that's why I actually have a net worth now of $49. So how do you go about it? Once you come, just like any other decentralized application, you connect your wallet. As you can see, my wallet is connected, and it's my wallet is actually connected on the Ethereum chain, but I have funds in the base chain, so I'm going to switch to the base chain. Why I didn't actually use the Ethereum chain is because we all know Ethereum is kind of expensive with the gas fees and all of that. So you can either use any other chain that you feel like is not expensive. Chains like Optimism or Arbitrum, they're pretty much not expensive. Base 2 is not that expensive, so I'm using Base because while I'm making a transaction here on the Base network, I'm also farming for Base. Base doesn't have a token yet, and it's just like an L2, just like Arbitrum and Optimism, which already have tokens out. So you get what I'm saying. Anyway, when you come here and you connect your wallet, the first thing you should do is actually have some funds in your Base accounts. You should have some ETH in your Base. You can send Ethereum to the Base chain from the centralized exchange. You get what I'm saying? I don't have much funds here, but you can see I have 51 USDC, which I borrowed. So once you have your ETH or your USDC, even if you have USDC, you want to supply USDC, you should have like a little bit of Ethereum in your wallet for gas fees. And like I said earlier, Base is not that expensive. So what you do is that, let's say you have some funds like I have, as you can see here, I have $51. All you have to click is supply. Remember, once you just connect your wallet, automatically this platform tracks the amount of money in your wallet. So if you have some Ethereum, it will show you, and if you have some USDC, it will show you. So you can supply any amount you want, but at least the base minimum amount you supply is 10 USD. So it's 10 USD, but I'm just doing 100 because, like, you know, if they want to do an airdrop, they can check volume and stuff like that. So all you have to do, you just click on supply, and when you click on supply, you can click on the max. I have like $51 here, although I borrowed it, so I don't know if they will allow me to supply it. So you click on the max, like depending on the amount of money you have here, and make sure you enable it for enable the funds you want to deposit to this platform as a collateral, so you can borrow whatever you want to borrow. Let's say you supply USDC, you can borrow any other currency that is available here, but you need to enable whatever you are supplying as collateral. And once you enable it, you approve the transaction, and probably it prompts your MetaMask, and you just sign the transaction fees, and that's it, you have supplied. And the same thing goes for borrowing. So it's pretty much easy. If you have used Aave or you have used Compound in the past, this is similar to it, and voila, you can just supply your funds and leave it. Like I said earlier, the point system hasn't started yet. I don't know why, but it's always good to be early to projects like this, especially projects, you know, that don't have tokens yet. And for my Pike stakers, this platform also utilizes Pike, so it can be an incentive if you are using this platform and you are staking Pike. So that one I can't really say for now, but I know they use Pike. So another thing I would also advise you to do is, if you are going to do this, please make sure you join their Discord. Make sure you join their Discord. And once you join their Discord, you should go to this site. I will leave it in the description below, called The Guide, and make sure you try to get access. As you can see, I have some access here. I don't have all the access, but I have some. So you should come to this site. Like I said, deposit some funds first. Minimum is 10 USD. You can deposit any amount you want, but the minimum is 10 USD. Then join the Discord, and then you come to this site, and you can see I have some access. I don't have all the access yet, but I have some, because some of the access here are assigned to people that actually have some NFTs. As you can see here, Poji, Azuki, Body APH, and MAYC, which is a sub of the Body APH category. So I don't know why all these multipliers are here, but at the end of the day, it's just good to have access. Like I have the beta tester access, and probably I will also try to get some other access in the future. But this is pretty early, and it's good to join a project when it's early. So other than that, you can also come to their what they call it, to their Twitter page, and follow them. You know, socials is also important. Follow them on Twitter and read up stuff for yourself. This is a space whereby you actually have to also do your own research, so don't just rely on everything influencers or people who make videos on YouTube tell you. Now, lastly, before I end this video, airdrops have been kind of, should I say, technical these days. There are a lot of things that have been coming out. Mostly now, the people that actually made more money farming Stacknet were devs. So the videos I will be dropping lately will be, you know, having some kind of dev site stuff and also technical stuff, because like I said, the airdrop journey currently right now is a bit technical. So you actually need to do some stuff to position yourself properly for when these protocols will take snapshots. So for this, I hope this is self-explanatory. I hope it is, and like I said, you can always feel free to ask whatever question you want to ask in the comment section, and I will reply you ASAP. So anyway, thank you for watching this video. I hope you get value, and always, like always, see you guys in the next one. Thank you.